I'm Alvina Crawford. I was going to a Better Bones and Balance exercise, and my leader was Mrs. Rice. I had them come every 6 months to check the old furnace that I had, and that lasted me 20 years. When it went out, Rice's was here right away and ordered a new one and got it in. They were always polite, and they were here when they said they were going to be, and if they weren't, they were quick to let me know so I had time to do other things. Because they're prompt, they're well-known. You could find out about them from a lot of people that have their service.